I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to be reviewing this bomb wig that I got from SHEIN. It's so gorgeous. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Continue watching the video to see how I slayed my hair. And if you get a wig from SHEIN, make sure you use my discount code to save money on your next purchase. We gotta customize this. Customize. This is what it's given before I customize and style her. It's definitely giving tight, snug. I don't know. I don't think I could wear it glueless, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it's looking after I customize and style it. I have these pink highlights that I'm gonna add to the wig. Ooh, so cute. So let me go ahead and customize and style this wig, add these pink extensions, and then I will be back. can't wait to put the pink. I can't wait to add that pink.
Smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good fame. This for the diamond, head for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Full of diamonds, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me. You deserve better. You know you deserve better. Should be together, baby. With me and you, it's whatever, girl. Hey, so can we make this thing ours? You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give all that you need. Everything you need. Said everything. Your selection. Will you take me, baby? Baby, you should let me love you.
Y'all, this is the finished look. I slayed my hair, period. If you want to see how I did my makeup, continue to the next video.